Good morning, friends. It's Miss Missy from Torrington 104. We miss you guys. I thought instead of reading a story today, we'd do some Matt and Molly. Everybody get your hands ready. Matt and Molly, story time, story time. Listen and look, listen and look. Here we go. Here we go. Let's find out who's in our story. We're going to pick card number 1. Oh, who do we see? We see Matt and Molly. They're both in our story today. Uh-oh. Matt feels a raindrop. They're going to get wet. Let's pick card number 2 now. Oh boy. What is happening in my story? Oh no, look at their faces. They don't look so happy, do they? Matt and Molly put on raincoats to keep them dry. We're going to go to card number 3. Oh boy. What did they do? Oh. Matt and Molly open umbrellas. Their faces still look pretty sad. They're not happy. Let's see what happens with card number 4. Yay! Look at them now. Look at those smiles. Everybody's happy. What happened? The rain stopped and the sun came out. They put down their umbrellas. They took off their raincoats. They're nice and dry. No more rain. Yay. Everybody say bye, Matt and Molly. We'll see you a little later, friends.